thinking? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. When they get on your nerves, you can just pick them up and yeet! Hey.
Yeah, I'm being good. Promise. I just took it. Oh.